What I'm going to do in this video is a quick oil change on my Toro motor. This can work for any like small mower like this. I'm going to use 1030 on this oil. This is a Honda oil for this Honda motor here. Like basically you can use SAE 30 also. So I did last time in my last video. This is going to go quick. Let's get going. So start the motor up and let it run for 5 minutes. Okay, now that I ran the motor for 5 minutes, because I want the oil to be really warm and fluid, I'm just gonna take off this plug. You just want to tip the mower over. You can't really see that, but it is dumping oil out. Depending on how much oil came out, you're going to want to add 12 to 18 ounces of, like I said, 1030 or just 30 weight. So I'm going to just add probably half this bottle and check the oil. You want to make sure you keep starting it up and checking the oil. Keep doing that because it takes such a little amount, it's easy to overfill. So now I'm just going to run it for a couple minutes and check the oil again to make sure that it settles down and gets kind of everywhere, and I can check the proper oil level. One thing to keep in mind when you're doing this oil change is it doesn't take much oil. This is 32 ounces right here, and it's about just over a quarter full here probably of oil. So basically it might be just 12 to 14 ounces. You know, halfway would be 16 ounces. There's still some in the container that wouldn't drain out. So just remember, don't overfill it and make sure you check it after. Thank you very much for watching.